Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Bonanza detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Bonanza website by entering the URL into your browser. Look for the sign up or register button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a unique username that reflects your identity. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Locate the checkbox for agreeing to Bonanza's terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to indicate that you have read and accept the terms. If applicable, opt into any promotional emails by checking the corresponding box. Click on the Create Account or Register button to submit your information. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after registering. Go to your email inbox and find the confirmation email from Bonanza. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Bonanza website. Once redirected, you will see a message confirming your account is now active. You can now log in using your registered email and password. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Start setting up your profile by adding necessary details such as your display name and payment information. Now you are ready to begin using Bonanza for buying or selling items. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.